Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's still Tuesday, November 24th, 2009. It's 12:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and right at the open, right around 111, we closed a little bit lower here on this swing low, rallied all the way back up, did almost 100% retracement of this, at least regular market hours, and now we're putting in a higher swing low. So if you remove this pre and post market data, let's take a look at it though one more time. We were looking to hold this area of this gap and not actually go down below 110.70, and we did. So let's look at a higher time frame and look at the significance of that. 15-minute chart with pre and post market data, the S&P 500 ETF, perfect sell-off right down to the 200 MA on pretty good size volume, but again almost 100% retracement of regular market hours. So even higher time frame than that. Holding up briefly here at the 50 MA with one little pierce. Still not a complete gap fill of that support area from yesterday. So let's take a look at the trend, and then we'll get back to that regular market hours action. So here we go. We are now looking at a pretty good sized rise in the trend. 1.5. Nothing to sneeze at, right back down to 0.8, so never really got into the bullish zone much today, and now we're chopping just a little bit more bearish than bullish, and so I keep that in the back of my mind. TRINQ, however, looks a little bit more bullish, starting to chop around now below 0.8. The VIX, a good tiebreaker here, is dropping nicely and basing on its low, so that's fantastic to see that down below this $21 mark that we had posted in from a few days ago even, and so we're watching that bleed out. So it looks to me a little bit more bullish than bearish. So let's remove this pre and post market data. There we go. Looking at this S&P 500 ETF, right? So it comes down, there's that 100% retracement and now a higher swing low. In a lot of ways, this whole thing is sort of a coiling, a symmetrical triangle, if you will, but it is X% more bullish. If you look at the retracement from here to here, it's about a 50% retrace of the last run-up. So pretty good. Had a 100% retracement of the sell-off, and now only a 50% retrace of the last run-up. So that's why I'm looking at that as being X% more bullish. The VIX confirms that, TRINQ confirms that, and the trend is still chopping around the neutral range. So good stuff. Nice power in the face of some economic news that maybe wasn't as good as it could have been. Good stuff, everybody. That's what I see in the broad markets. Hopefully you can use this and parlay it into making some money. And for some reason, these are getting a little skewed here. Not sure what that's about, but just a little artifact. Somebody helped me point that out. So good stuff, everybody, and I will talk to you soon.